Welcome back to the channel. This is just a quick video of something I picked up in Home Depot. It's a USB light. It comes in a 2-pack. It's made by Husky. It says it puts out 1200 lumens, 3-year limited warranty, and it's rechargeable. I'm not sure if it's by USB, micro USB or USB-C, but let's find out. Inside the packaging you've got instruction manual, charging cable, and your 2 lights. Not much to it. Made of plastic. Turn it over. You've got the port right here. It is USB-C. It says the capacity is 7.4 watt hours. Input is 5 volts at 1 amp max. And it's got 3 different modes, if I'm not mistaken. Also magnetic. That's what these are on the sides. I figured I got one of these in order to put in my work bag, keep it in the car in case of emergencies. So let's see how bright it really gets. So here's the test for the first one. The second one, and the third one. So from brightest to dimmest, pretty impressive. Oh, it actually goes dimmer than that. Press it again, it goes off. Has a little kickstand. I think I paid about $20 for it, so $10 a piece. If you're in your local Home Depot, I'd say check it out. Until the next one.